Hello, in this video we will see how can we import existing user data and sheet and send dynamic QR codes to users via automations. So in automation builder, set trigger as webhook, select custom webhook, enter title, click on generate hook and copy this URL. Now go to tickets app, create a new object, enter title and paste the webhook URL here and then click on create. Now click on the view icon. In automation builder, click on capture incoming webhook and let's create a QR code here for sample data. So click on create, enter name, WA number. You can enter 10 fields here and then click on create. In the automation builder, we can see that the data is received. Now click on save. Next step, add a basic router. Here, set up filter. Label will be ticket created, for example, new ticket. Condition will be message is ticket created successfully. And then click on save filter. Now add a CRM block. Send template message. Select channel from the drop down. Select template. I can map the WhatsApp number from data received via webhook. Image will be QR image. And body variable 1 can be name. Click on save. Save this workflow and enable it. Now go to the tickets app again. Click on import and import your CSV file with data here. Map CSV data and then click on start import. Once the import is completed, messages will be sent via WhatsApp automatically to all the users. Here we can cross-check this from the history of this workflow. As we can see, 5 messages have been sent. Thank you.